Let's have the elimination of arbitrary constant. Continuation lang ng last. Sagutan natin yung number 3. Since alam naman natin ang rule sa pagkuha or pag-eliminate ng arbitrary constant ay kailangan kung gaano karami yung arbitrary constant na makikita mo sa isang equation, ganon din kadami na i-differentiate yung equation na yun. So, first identify mo muna kung alin yung arbitrary constant. In this equation, arbitrary constant niya ay C, and then wala nang iba. So, ang kailangan natin gawin ay i-differentiate to ng isang beses. Let's have differentiation. Since pwede nating i-simplify muna bago tayo maggawa ng differentiation. So, pwede natin i-divide sa y both side. So, magkakaroon tayo ng para mas madaling ma-eliminate yung C, kailangan ihiwalay muna natin ito sa variable. Since isang beses lang naman natin pwedeng i-differentiate dahil isa lang constant, kaya matik kailangan nakahiwalay na yung arbitrary constant sa variable. Yun yung mga technique para mas mabilis mag-eliminate ng arbitrary constant. So, saka natin i-differentiate. Since common silang dalawa, kaya mababawasan lang ng exponent yung nasa taas. Since mas mataas yung value, mas mataas yung exponent nya. So, ito naman pwedeng 1 over y equals c. Saka tayo mag-conduct ng differentiation. X derivative ng dx y. Since naka-product siya, kailangan natin gumamit ng product rule. And then, yung differentiation ng 1 over y. Ang differentiation ng 1 over y is gamitin natin ng quotient rule. E di magiging y d over dx, tapos yung derivative ng 1 minus 1 derivative ng y over y squared. Then yung derivative ng c, constant, 0. So, simplify x y prime plus y, since ang derivative ng x ay 1 times y, so y lang yan. And then ang derivative ng 1 ay 0 times y, so 0 na yan. And then ang derivative ng y ay y prime, so minus y prime over y raised to 2 equals sa 0. So, yan na yung derivative ng xy squared minus 1 equals cy. Simplify natin by sa tingin ko hindi na pwedeng simplify, pwede na siguro yan. Let's proceed to number 4. Sa number 4, cx squared plus x plus y squared equals 0. So So, sa number 4, may isang arbitrary constant. Then, para mas mapadali yung pagsusolve natin, hiwalay lang ulit natin yung arbitrary constant. Divide natin sa x squared. Lahat. Masyado yatang malaki. Divide natin sa x squared, so makakancel to. Ito 0 pa rin. So C equals mali pala. C plus x over x squared is 1 over x divide y squared divide x squared equals 0. So tara na mag-differentiate. Ang differential ng C ay 0 plus ang derivative ng 1 over x ay negative 1 over x squared. Gamitan natin ng quotient rule, yung y squared over x squared. So x squared derivative ng y squared minus y squared derivative of x squared divide x squared raised to 2, and then simplifying 0 over 1 over x squared plus ang derivative ng y squared ay 2y y prime, so 2x squared y prime, and then ang derivative ng x squared ay 2x, so magiging 2x y squared over x raised to 4 equals 0. Since equals na sa 0 yan, so simplify natin, mag-multiply lang tayo ng x squared over x squared dito para pwede na natin pag-addin yung dalawa. Equal sa 0. So ito, 1 times x squared ay x squared over x4, 2 x squared y prime 2x y squared equals sa 0 over x raised to 4, and then adding lang yung dalawa, magiging x squared plus 2x squared y prime minus 2x y squared. Ito naman, since pares sila ng denominator, copy lang yon. Tapos i-multiply dito, cross multiply, so magiging 0. Tapos para mas ma-simplify, hanap kayo ng variable na pwede or constant na pwedeng ma-cancel out. Since dito pare-pareho sila na may x variable, so divide natin sa x. So makakancel to, mawawala to. So matitira is x plus 2x y prime minus 2y squared equals sa 0. So ito na yung final answer natin. For number 5, x equals a sine wt plus v. W a parameter not to be eliminated. So, since w is a parameter, hindi natin yan i-consider as arbitrary constant. And then, dapat hindi yan ma-eliminate after natin i-differentiate. Then, since ang w ay parameter, ang constant lang natin dito ay a plus b. So, dalawang beses lang natin a plus beta, sorry. So, dalawang beses lang natin ito pwedeng i-differentiate. Then, let's differentiate. So, ang derivative ng x, since ang x ay dependent variable dito, so, dx, and then yung t, yung independent variable, so, dx dt, equals to a, ang derivative ng sine ay cos w t plus b. Then kukuhanin natin yung derivative ng nasa loob ng sine. So ang derivative niya ay w, since yung beta ay constant. And then derivative ulit natin tong nakuha natin, dx dt squared equals to a, since ang cos wt ay negative sine wt plus b, and then w times yung w kanina, so w squared na yan. Simplify na lang natin, x double prime equals negative a w squared sine w t plus beta. And then hindi natin na-eliminate yung a, tapos b, beta. Hindi natin na-eliminate yung arbitrary constant niya. So, paano gagawin natin yan? Ang magagawa natin dyan ay substitution method. Sa substitution method, hanap kayo ng equal sa ibang equation, sa equation na magagawa nyo. Halimbawa, ito yung first equation, ito yung second equation, ito yung third equation. So, hanap kayo sa tatlo na yan na pwedeng substitute kahit saan. Kailangan pumili kayo ng dalawa, tapos substitute nyo yung mapipili nyo doon sa may isa pang mapipili nyo. Ano ba yung pinaka-fit para sa, ay mali pala, second equation lang pala tong ito. Bale, ito yung second. Since ito lang din pala yun, sinimplify lang natin. Bale, ang pang third equation natin ay yung pinaka ito, third. Since sin wt plus b beta yon, and sin wt plus beta rin yung nandun sa pinaka tanong. So, pwede natin i-substitute yun. Equate lang natin. Since ang nun, ang x equals a sin wt plus beta. So, alisin lang natin yung w squared dito sa may nakuha natin yung second equation. Divide natin both side by w squared. And then, ang makuha natin ay x double prime w squared over w squared a sin wt plus beta. Then, pwede na natin substitute sa first equation. Bali, ang kakalabasan nun ay x equals x double prime over w squared. And then, cross multiply, magiging x w squared equals x double prime. Yan na yung final answer natin.